Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure the TV is connected to your Wi-Fi and that your Netflix profile is signed in. Once done, check the TV's operating system and free storage because app updates need space and compatibility. Now, open the TV App Store or the Netflix App Info page. That's where you'll initiate an update or see the update button. Do this first to avoid wasted steps later. Updates often fix playback and login glitches. Next, install the app update through the TV's App Store. Select Update if available. If the store shows no update, go to the app settings and clear cache or force stop Netflix. This resolves many corrupted temporary files. Once cleared, relaunch the app to test. If playback or login still fails, uninstall Netflix, then reinstall from the store. Reinstalling replaces damaged files. Also make sure the TV model is still supported by Netflix, because compatibility can change with system updates. Finally, restart both the TV and your router to refresh network connections, then open Netflix and play a short title to confirm success. If playback fails, sign out of Netflix and sign back in to refresh credentials and profile settings. Make sure your subscription is active. Troubleshooting tip: if updates and restarts don't work, power cycle the router and TV, and try a different HDMI port or input. This isolates hardware or input issues and often restores video and audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.